to see those details in order to identify them. Now, much more difficult and it will require much more learning to do that. But to the genus. And then you see there is a number. Okay, what they did with the numbers, is that they said, we're going to call number ones those diatoms that live in oligotrophic environment. An oligotrophic environment is an environment that has no nutrients practically. It's extremely clean. Usually, if you go up to indicators, in the rivers, we use diatoms or insects. Some insects are so sensitive that they will die of anything, and they will not be there. Some insects are extremely hardy, and they will be there no matter what. So therefore, all the number 4s are diatoms that are extremely hardy. All the number 1s are diatoms that are extremely sensitive. So we take water from the stream and you do some chemistry in there, and we will have to spend much more money and much more resources to do that than to take a look at the diatoms. The diatoms are much simpler, because all you have to do is clean the rocks and all that stuff that you did, take a look at them under the microscope, identify them, and they got a number for us. Got it? Mm-hmm. Okay, so we have 2 jobs to do. One is to count diatoms, to see how many are there per milliliter, and we don't have to clean them, because diatoms are diatoms, you can see them really well. The second job is you have to go and clean the diatoms, and now when you have cleaned the diatoms, you're not anymore on a 1-to-1 ratio, because we're having screwing up with putting water, putting bleach, and doing this and doing that, so they're not in a 1-to-1 ratio. So what we do is we take a look at the first 100 diatoms, identify them to the genus, and find out what number they are. And then there is a little formula that helps us figure out what we have in terms of biotic indexes. You have a chance to actually do what the washing machine does, and then you take it out, and then you put it back in here, and you do the same thing with this one, but I'm just not going to do that. And then you go back to the amusement park, okay? And now we have done the same thing, but instead of getting rid of the water, we're getting rid of the what? The bleach. And we're going to do this 3 times, okay? Once you do that, then you can see, you should rinse it after that. Put a little bit of water and do the procedure once by rinsing them, so that you're not dealing with diatoms that are all bleached. Once you have done that, what happens is that now you can see all the details on the diatoms.
$139.8. I need to do something.
145.2.
145.2. I think that's what the Jane needs, right?
Who sees the whole thing?
7.22.
Does anyone have a pencil?
No.
Okay.
I don't have a pencil.
Next question. Are we doing time activity?
Come on.